The format here is a bit different from my usual content. I'm going to show you one of my digital art process and how I achieve my artwork digitally. Digital art is not as complicated as you might think, but here are some details that are different from digital art that you cannot always replicate digitally. For example, you can create your own brush to achieve effect that might not be possible with traditional mediums. That is what I am doing here, creating unique effect that I cannot recreate in digital art. But the most important thing is to enjoy the process and trust it, just like you would with traditional art. By the way, I use Clip Studio Paint for all of my digital drawings. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in comment.